Jerry Don coming at you here. 22nd annual 2023 Hogs and Hot Rods, Oklahoma's premier car and bike show. Last year we had record numbers and we're gonna grow it to be bigger this year. We've made some changes, it's gonna be wonderful. Right now I'm on Facebook, and folks, you need to get on Facebook and go to the Hogs and Hot Rods page. All kinds of information on there, and we're updating it every single day. So if you wanna be a vendor, you can get on there and be a vendor. If you wanna be a volunteer, oh my goodness, we need volunteers, so get on there and please be a volunteer. And if you want to sponsor, you can get on there and sponsor also. Now we're gonna go to registration 101. So I'm gonna get with you because we've got a program and we love it. It's called Car Show Pro. We are automated this year. It's gonna be a lot easier on everybody, so I'm recommending everybody to register online. This is gonna take all the heat and the line from way down there on Main Street. You can just pull in, get your packet, and come all the way up here. So come on with me. We're gonna be on Facebook, and we're gonna be on Hogs and Hot Rods page. And this is what it's gonna look like right here. Now this one right here has the bikes on it. There's some more on there that has cars on it, but it all takes you to the same place. You can get up here and it says Car Show Pro event right there. Click on that. When you click on that, it's gonna take you over to this page and it says follow link. Well, you know what? It's okay. Follow that link. Now it's gonna take you over here. This is Car Show Pro, and it's gonna ask you to register for this event. Yes, that's what we wanna do. So click on register for that event. Now, when you get over here, if you've happened to be somewhere else that's used Car Show Pro before, and you're already a member, you've already logged in before, or already registered before, then you can get on here and click login, and it'll put all of your information in there for you, okay? Now, for the ones of you like me that's never used it before, then you can get on here, and you're not gonna click login, you're gonna scroll down here, and you're gonna fill out all this right here, your name and address, the postal code and all that. You're gonna come down and you're gonna put in here your year, your make, your model, and then you can add your photo. It's gonna look like this right here. The photo will be printed out like that right there, and I'll tell you more about this in just a minute. So, there's a place right here that you can click to expand what it says, and if you want to add some information about your car, feel free to do that. And then it's got classifications. So when you click on classifications, these are all the classifications that we're going to have this year at Hogs and Hot Rods, okay? Down here at the very, very bottom, if you happen to have a motorcycle, click on that, okay? That's your classification. Now when you click on that, it says right here, motorcycles to be placed in one of 14 plus classes. That means the judges are going to make the decision of what class the motorcycles are going to be put in. So one thing I haven't said yet is that we are partnering with Bottoms Up Chop Shop, and they are going to be helping us out with motorcycles again, but you will register with us. You will register with us. So when you do all that, if you're a member of a club, that's the next one. You can put up to 3 clubs in there. If your members in them, we want to know that, so put it on there. Now, if you register early, that saves you money, and it saves you a lot of time. So $25 now or $30 later in a long line, okay? So get on here, register, and get on here and do it. Now, for the ones of you that have friends or family members that maybe they don't have Facebook or they don't like Facebook, you can go to carshowpro.com. And when you do, this is what it's gonna look like when it comes up, okay? Now when you get on here, there's a little circle right up here, a little magnifying glass. You can click on that and just put in Hogs. Just real simple, Hogs. You see this bar come up and it says Hogs and Hot Rods, Collinsville, Oklahoma, June 10th. You can click on that, and what's it gonna do? It's gonna take you to that same page that we just went through, and you're gonna register for this event and go all the way through that. Now, Car Show Pro, when you register, we're gonna get this, we're gonna print it out on cardstock. Every car is gonna have this in the windshield. Now the guys are gonna come by, the judges are, and they're gonna scan this QR code, and when they scan that code, it's gonna come up there, and they're gonna judge it right off of their tablet, and it's gonna automatically come back to here. We're not gonna miss any cars because every car is gonna have one of these in there. So get online, register, be a vendor, be a sponsor, just get on the Hogs and Hot Rods and just keep up with it. And we'll see you in the next video.